Native speakers can always hear when you make mistakes, even if it's the smallest mistake. This lesson is full of verb collocations for meet, take, get, and many other verbs. Pay attention to the verb combinations if you want to sound like a native speaker. Number 1, meet someone for the first time. You're such a cute couple. How long have you known each other? Thanks. We actually met a few weeks ago. To see and interact with someone you have never met before. Examples. They met for the first time at a friend's party. I still remember the day we met. Number 2, meet someone for coffee. Got any plans for what to do? How about we meet up for coffee and take it from there? To get together casually for a drink. Examples. They met for coffee after work. We usually meet for coffee on Sundays. Number 3, meet up with someone. Are you gonna see her again? Yeah, we're meeting up later tonight. To get together with someone. Examples. They met up downtown. Let's meet up after class. Number 4, meet back up. What's our plan for shopping? Let's split up and meet back up at the entrance to the mall. To reunite after separating. Examples. They met back up an hour later. We'll meet back up after lunch. Number 5, meet with someone. Is she nervous about the interview? A little. She's meeting with the manager today. To have a formal meeting. Examples. He met with his lawyer about the case. She met with the team to go over some details. Number 6, do a meet and greet. How did you meet your favorite celebrity? There was a meet and greet after the show. To meet people in an organized event. Examples. They attended a meet and greet to see their idols. The band did a meet and greet for the fans. Number 7, meet someone halfway. This is going nowhere. We keep arguing about every little detail. All right, meet me halfway and let's find a solution we can both accept. To make a compromise. Examples. She asked him to meet her halfway on the budget. Good relationships work best when people meet each other halfway. Number 8, meet things head on. How did you manage to solve the problem? The same way I solve every problem, I meet it head on and work through it. To deal with a problem directly and bravely. Examples. She finally met the problem head on. They met the challenge head on and solved it. Number 9, meet a deadline. Are you done with the project? The deadline is coming up. Not yet. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to meet it. To finish on time. Examples. They met the deadline successfully. He struggled to meet the deadline. Number 10, meet the requirements. Did she get the job? Yes, we love her experience and she met all the requirements. To satisfy conditions. Examples. They met the requirements easily. He didn't meet the requirements for the job. Number 11, meet expectations. Hey, how was the movie? I heard some good reviews. It didn't disappoint. It met my expectations. To perform as hoped. Examples. I'll do my best to meet your expectations. The results met the team's expectations. Number 12, meet the criteria. Did your application pass? Yeah, it met the criteria to be selected. To match specific rules. Examples. Only candidates who meet the criteria qualify. She didn't meet the criteria for the job. Number 13, meet resistance. What did they think of your idea in the meeting? Well, it met a lot of resistance. They didn't really like it. To face opposition. Examples. The plan met resistance from the community. They met resistance immediately when trying to enter. Number 14, meet someone's demands. Do you think the business deal is going to go through? I don't think so. Not if they don't meet the company's demands. To satisfy what someone wants. Examples. The company met the demands of the customers. The software update met the demands of the users. Number 15, meet someone's needs. Why did you choose that school for your children? Well, it meets all of our needs. To provide what is required. Examples. My needs have to be met in order to continue. This program meets all of my needs. Number 16, meet a target. How did sales go this quarter? We met all of our targets. Business is good. To reach a goal. Examples. I want to speak fluently in 3 months. I hope to meet my target. He failed to meet the target. Number 17, meet goals. Looking back, how do you feel about this year? Great! I met every goal that I set in the beginning of the year. To achieve objectives. Examples. She met her goals with determination and effort. After setting goals, it's important to meet them to find success. Number 18, meet your match. That boxer was undefeated until last weekend. Looks like he finally met his match. To face someone equal or stronger. Examples. The champion met his match. She met her match in the finals and struggled. Number 19, meet your maker. That villain was unstoppable. He was until he met his maker. To die, used in a more figurative context. Examples. The old soldier was ready to meet his maker. The hero made sure the villain met his maker. Number 20, meet someone's end. Remind me again, how did the character die? He bravely met his end in battle. To die in a specific or dramatic way. Examples. No one knows how he met his end. He met his end at the hands of a soldier. Number 21, pleased to meet you. Welcome to your interview. Thanks for having me, and pleased to meet you. A polite greeting, like nice to meet you. Examples. Pleased to meet you as well. When she met the man, she smiled and said, pleased to meet you. Number 22, make ends meet. How are you doing financially? It's tough, but I find a way to make ends meet. To have enough money. Examples. They struggle to make ends meet despite working 2 jobs. He works 3 jobs to make ends meet. Number 23, more than meets the eye. That house looks really basic. I agree, but when you go inside, there's much more to it than meets the eye. Not as simple as it seems. Examples. The situation had more than meets the eye. It's suspicious. There's more than meets the eye here. Number 24, where the rubber meets the road. What do you think of the idea for the project? It sounds good, but I'm not sure what's going to happen when the rubber meets the road. The moment of truth for something to test a concept. Examples. The marketing is great, but we'll see what happens when the rubber meets the road. We built the system, but we won't know what happens until the rubber meets the road. Number 25, till we meet again. So this is really goodbye? Don't say goodbye. Say until we meet again. Until seeing each other again. Examples. They hugged and said, till we meet again. Till we meet again, my friend. Be good. Congratulations! You just learned 25 different ways to use the verb make. Remember, my Patreon is now available if you want access to high-quality PDFs for my lessons. Thank you, supporters, channel subscribers, and private students. And see you in the next lesson.